All right, welcome everyone. Very quick video today. Just going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on your Shopify store. So why would you want to do this? Basically, guys, Google Analytics is the best form of analytics for your store. They have some really cool features for e-commerce, and you really should be using it to test things like see which product pages are falling over, which part of your funnels aren't working so well, what's your bounce rate, and then focusing on improving all those metrics. So guys, let's get into it. Okay, so there's 7 steps here. I'm going to show you one, how to set up Google Analytics, and then also how to enable all the e-commerce features, and then how to link that to your Google Ads account so then we can start building audiences within Google Analytics for remarketing within Google Ads. Okay, so step 1, I'm going to assume you have a Google account, and I'm also going to assume you've got a Google AdWords account. If you haven't got those, go and watch my previous videos. I'll leave a link below. Okay, so step 3, let's set up our Google Analytics account. Very quick and easy, and then we're going to obviously install the tracking code, enable the features, and link that all together. Okay, so to do this, just Google Analytics and click this one here. Then log in with your Google account that I'm going to assume you already have. Okay, once you get to this step, just click sign up. From here, call it whatever you want to call it. So your store name, website. So just grab your Shopify URL and put it in here. Select your industry. If you don't know what to pick, just select shopping. Do your time zone. So I'm obviously in Australia. And I'm in Gold Coast, Brisbane. Leave all this. And then go get tracking ID. Click accept. Okay, now you've created your Google Analytics account. So what we need to do is we need to grab our tracking code, and we need to put that in our Shopify store. What you're going to do is you're going to click online store. You're going to click preferences. And you're going to come down here to where it says Google Analytics. Now I've already got it here. So what I'm going to do is obviously when you first come in, this is going to be blank. You're going to get that code and you're going to paste it here. You're going to click save, and you're going to make sure that this box use enhanced e-commerce is ticked. Okay. Very important. Now, we're going to go back to our Google Analytics account, and we're going to go to, under View, we're going to go to E-commerce Settings, and we're going to turn on e-commerce, and we're going to enable enhanced e-commerce reporting, and we're going to click Save. Now we've enabled all the enhanced e-commerce and the e-commerce reporting that Google Analytics has, so you're going to be able to track everything really in great detail. So from here, now we've turned that on, we need to turn on e-commerce tracking. So under tracking info, you're going to go data collection, and you're going to turn on remarketing. Click save. Now that remarketing is on, we also need to enable demographics and interest reports. So we're going to go just back here. We're going to go into property settings, and in here, we're going to enable demographic and interest reports. So we're going to be able to make much better audiences with this on. Now we've enabled everything we need to build remarketing lists. Let's link our Google Ads account with Google Analytics. Okay, now to link Google Ads with Google Analytics. Now, if you have a Google Ads account set up with this, that's why I'm recommending everyone use the same email along all of this, because it's going to pick up that you've got a Google Ads account. You're going to link it here. If you haven't got one here, go create one with the same email, and it's then going to pop up here. Click continue, name this, and then click this to all website data on. This is now going to allow you to link Google Analytics and Google Ads together. We're going to now be able to do all of these things. You're going to see all the metrics in Google Ads from Analytics, or a lot of them. You're going to be able to import goals and e-commerce transactions into Google Ads. So this is where Track It comes into it as well. And you're going to be able to create remarketing audiences in Analytics. So now you've got that linked here. You're totally ready for our next video where we're going to start building some audiences here. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're here for it. No one else is showing you this stuff, guys. I really want you to become Google masters, okay? Okay, so congratulations, guys. You've successfully installed Google Analytics, and you're now at a stage far past all of these different gurus and stuff. I bet you a lot of these guys don't even have this installed. So you're now ready to remarket with Google, something that not a lot of people are doing in this industry yet. It's very untapped. Make sure you watch my next video. It's going to be all about remarketing. Be here. I'm also soon going to be doing a little masterclass in my group today. So I'm uploading this video and then I'm going back to my group. So make sure you join the group. Give me a like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. See you soon.